Understanding vaccinations. What is a vaccination? Vaccination is a simple, safe and effective way of protecting people against harmful diseases before they come into contact with them. Most vaccines are given by an injection, but some are given orally or sprayed into the nose. Most conventional vaccines against viral disease are made from viruses grown in chicken eggs or other mammalian cells. These use your body's natural defenses to build resistance to specific infections and makes your immune system stronger. These vaccines train your immune system to create antibodies, just as it does when it's exposed to a disease. However, because these vaccines contain only killed or weakened forms of germs like viruses or bacteria, they do not cause the disease or put you at risk of its complications. Messenger RNA vaccine are a new type of vaccine which teaches our cells how to make a protein or piece of protein that triggers an immune response inside our bodies. Your antibodies are proteins made by your immune system, which help fend off future illnesses by the virus. Once your body creates that immune response, both the protein and mRNA are eliminated, while the antibodies stick around to protect you in the future. All the ingredients of a vaccine play an important role in ensuring a vaccine is safe and effective. Some of these include the antigen. This is a killed or weakened form of the virus or bacteria which trains our bodies to recognize and fight the disease if we encounter it in the future. Adjuvants, which help to boost our immune response. This means they help vaccines to work better. Preservatives, which ensure a vaccine stays effective. Stabilizers, which protect the vaccine during storage and transportation. Many of the components used in vaccines occur naturally in the body, in the environment, and in the foods we eat. All of the ingredients in vaccines, as well as the vaccines themselves, are thoroughly tested and monitored to ensure they are safe. Vaccines do protect you and your child from many serious and potentially deadly diseases. Protect other people in your community by helping to stop diseases spreading to people who cannot have vaccines. Undergo rigorous safety testing before being introduced. They are also constantly monitored for side effects after being introduced. Sometimes cause mild side effects that will not last long. Some people may feel a bit unwell and have a sore arm for 2 or 3 days. 1 or 2 people will have an allergic reaction, but these are rare. Reduce or even get rid of some diseases if enough people are vaccinated. Vaccines don't overload or weaken the immune system, causing allergies or any other conditions. All the current evidence tells us that vaccinating is safer than not vaccinating. Contain mercury. Contain any ingredients that cause harm in such small amounts, but speak to your doctor if you have any known allergies such as eggs or gelatine. There is a recommended gap of 1 week between COVID-19 and flu vaccinations. Since vaccines were introduced in the UK, diseases like smallpox, polio and tetanus that used to kill or disable billions of people are either gone or seen very rarely. Other diseases like measles and diphtheria have been reduced by up to 99.9% since their vaccines were introduced. However, if people stop having vaccines, it's possible for infectious diseases to quickly spread again. When a person gets vaccinated against a disease, their risk of infection is also reduced, so they are also less likely to transmit the virus or bacteria to others. As more people in a community get vaccinated, fewer people remain vulnerable, and there is less possibility of an infected person to pass a pathogen onto another person. A pathogen is a bacteria, virus, or other microorganism that cause disease. Lowering the possibility for the pathogen to circulate in a community protects those who cannot be vaccinated from the disease targeted by the vaccine.